Help! I need something strong. I need strong medicine right now. My head is exploding.
Jack, shh, stop shouting. People are looking at you.
Why are they staring? I'm sick. I need powerful medicine.
Because you sound aggressive. In a pharmacy, words matter. Listen carefully. Don't say something strong or powerful medicine like that.
Why? I really feel terrible.
Instead, use polite and clear language. Say medicine or painkillers.
Painkillers.
Yes, or simply say, I'm looking for something for...
I'm looking for something for pain.
Perfect. That sounds normal and polite.
Okay, but how do I explain my pain? My head feels like boom, boom.
Don't say boom, boom. Use the magic word ache.
Ache.
Yes, spelled A-C-H-E, but pronounced ache. Say, I have a headache.
I have a headache.
Stomach ache, I have a stomach ache. Toothache, toothache. Backache, backache.
Everything aches.
That happens when you are sick.
So, can I say, give me aspirin?
You can, but it is better to ask politely. Ask, what do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Now try it naturally. What do you recommend?
What do you recommend for a headache?
Perfect English. One more important thing, prescription versus over-the-counter.
Prescription sounds serious.
Prescription means you need a paper from a doctor. For example, antibiotics are prescription only.
And over the counter?
It means you can buy it without a doctor. It is on the shelf.
Great. I need over the counter medicine. I don't have time for a doctor.
Now you try. Yes, you watching right now, you are in a pharmacy. Say you have a headache. Use the word ache. 2, 3, 4. Good. I have a headache. Now ask for advice. 2, 3, 4. Nice. What do you recommend? Now say you want medicine without a doctor. Use over-the-counter. 2, 3, 4. I need over-the-counter medicine. Perfect. Final test, Jack. I am the pharmacist. Be calm. Go.
Excuse me, I'm not feeling well. I have a headache.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have a prescription?
No, I'm looking for over-the-counter medicine. What do you recommend?
This syrup works well. Take it twice a day.
Thank you. I'll take it.
See? Clear English, no stress.
And no scary words.
Question for the comments. When you're sick, do you choose tea or medicine?
Write in the comments. Stay healthy. Bye.